How to add keyboard shortcuts in Audacity. Click on a part of audio you want to generate silence. Then from Generate menu, select Silence and click on OK button. Let's say generating silence is a command that I use a lot, so it's best to add a keyboard shortcut for it. Go to Edit Preferences. Now click on Shortcuts tab and search for the command you want to add a shortcut for it. Find the command you want, select it, and in the text box put the shortcut. Here press Ctrl Shift S and click on Set button. Now every time I want to generate silence, I can just press Ctrl Shift S shortcut. To delete a keyboard shortcut, open up Preferences window again. This time find the command, select it, and click on Clear button. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.